Hey, welcome back. Angela from Create a Knit. And have I got the coolest little tutorial for you ever? I'm going to show you how to make hair scrunchies. And the really fun part is you can make these in about 20 minutes flat. Plus, you can choose some really cool little yarns like I did with my faux fur ones here and my velvet one right here. You can see I'm wearing a little ivory colored faux fur one right now. And then you can also choose whatever yarn is your favorite also. So you're just going to need 3 items for this project. You're just going to need your crochet hook, you're going to need your ball of yarn, and you're going to need a 2-inch little elastic hairband, you know, the stretchy kinds you get at the store. So go ahead and grab those things. Let's get comfy and make some scrunchies. Here are the 3 scrunchies that I made with the faux fur and the velvet. You can kind of get a closer look and see what they look like. Super adorable and stretchy. I'm going to show you how to make one of the scrunchies using the soft velvety yarn. This is a really nice one to work with because it just feels nice in your hands as well. And this is a number 5 bulky yarn. And we are going to also be using a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. And then right here, I've got a little elastic band, just like the kind you normally use in your hair. And this is about 2 inches across. So those are the 3 things that we're going to need to get started. Okay, so go ahead and put a slip knot on your crochet hook. And if you don't know how to do a slip knot, I will put a link to a tutorial in the description below. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get your yarn ready, and then we're going to take your hairband, and what we're going to do is we are going to single crochet all around the hairband 40 times. So go ahead and go through the middle of the hairband, yarn over, and then go ahead and do that first single crochet. And then you'll just go through the middle of the hairband every time to go around it and do a single crochet. So we've done 2, and this will be 3. Now just keep going all the way around until you have single crocheted 40 times. Here you can see I have single crocheted all around the band 40 times, and this is what it will look like. Now go ahead and slip stitch into that first stitch right here, and that's what will join your work together right there. So now that you're joined together, what you're going to want to do is chain 3. So go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. So now we have chained 3. We're going to double crochet 2 times in every stitch. And because they're a little bunched, if they get a little too close together, you can just give a little tug on it and it will spread the stitches out. So we'll do our first one. So just locate your first stitch and go ahead and double crochet 2 times in that first stitch. And that's what it looks like. So then just go to your next stitch and double crochet 2 times. All right, so go ahead and just double crochet twice in every stitch till you get to the end, and I'll meet you there. Now I've come to the end and I went ahead and got to my very last double crochet 2 times in the last stitch. And this is what it will look like. So go ahead and go into that first stitch that you did over here and slip stitch to join these 2 together. Give that a little tug, and then go ahead and chain 1 to secure it, and then go ahead and cut your working yarn, and then just pull that off. And you can see here exactly what your scrunchie will look like. And you've got these little ruffles throughout, which give it some nice body. And then you've got your elastic band in the middle so you can stretch it. So what you would do is just take a tapestry needle and weave in these ends. And once you weave in your ends, that is pretty much it to making one of these adorable little scrunchies. Okay, so that was pretty fun, right? The color possibilities on these are pretty endless. So I would love to know what colors you ended up making with yours. And again, if you have any questions, you can ask me. So until the next video, I will see you later. Bye.